Torque tester. Torque tester is used for measuring the torque required to open the cap of bottles. Operating principle. The bottle is placed between the solid adjustable grippers that is connected to a torque sensor, and the cap of the bottle is opened manually or motorized in order to measure the force value required to open the closure of the bottle. The maximum value of torque required for closure opening is recorded in lb inch. It is used for PET, HDP bottles, glass bottles and similar products. Operating procedure. Turn the machine on. Rotate the jaw adjusting knob in anti-clockwise direction. Place the test sample by adjusting the specimen holding pegs. After placing the specimen, tighten the jaw adjusting knob properly by revolving it in clockwise direction. Press tare button, then press reset button. Press the test control toggle switch from the control panel to test on. The machine will start moving in clockwise direction. As the machine rotates, it will show increase in the value of the peak load. After completing 90-degree rotation, the machine will automatically stop. Record the peak value from the load indicator. Now push the toggle switch to test off, and the lower disc will move anti-clockwise and stop on the home position. Set the toggle switch in center and take out the sample from the test area. Calibration procedure. Set the load indicator to normal mode. Hang the calibration weight of 10 lbs or 20 lbs on the left hand side of the rod with the help of thread and pass it through the movable pulley on the threaded holder fixture. The torque value coming on the indicator and calibrated hang weight value must be in the same range. Now hang the same calibrated weight of 10 lbs or 20 lbs on the right hand side. The torque value coming on the indicator and calibrated hang weight value must be in the same range. Are USPs. The device is equipped with the inbuilt calibration mechanism. 9 sample readings can be seen on digital readout. Motorized feature for high repeatability. Adjustable fixture to test different sizes of test bottles. Strong clamping pegs holders for zero slippage support, provided with 2 calibrating weights. Are other standard technical specifications.